of the major 21st century challenges. According to the World Health Organization, COVID-19 is a global pandemic that had affected more than 81 million human beings around the world. Day by day, the virus is developing itself and getting more contagious. Hence, safety measures, especially social distancing, have a major effect on protecting individuals from that deadly virus. For this reason, our engineering design team decided to take action. We designed shoProtect. shoProtect contains an IR sensor that detects the passage of people, count the number of those who enter or exit the premises, and open or close the barrier for them. Also, the barrier does not allow people to enter the shop when the maximum number of customers allowed inside it is reached. shoProtect has a red and a green LED light indicating for the customers when it is possible for them to enter the shop.
Our product puts into consideration many factors, such as societal factors. shoProtect will target shops owners looking for a safe shopping environment for their customers by imposing social distancing, which will effectively reduce COVID-19 cases. Also, environmental factors. shoProtect uses cables, switch, and barrier gates, which are not all eco-friendly, but they can be recyclable. Besides, its service life is estimated to be more than 7 years, which minimizes the waste of materials. And other factors like ethical, legal, political, and economic factors that our project will definitely respect.
Two current competitors of shoProtect are currently in the market, SafeFlow and PassCount3. With almost the same functionalities as our design, both SafeFlow and PassCount3 are using fashionable but costly materials, such as glass doors, metal turnstiles, and decorative lights. This gives a big advantage to shoProtect since it is using less expensive material with the same purposes. Adding to that, shoProtect's life in service, as mentioned before, is approximately 7 years, which is the longest life in service compared to our competitors. Hence, shoProtect is highly reliable, trustworthy, and affordable. shoProtect also respects and applies many other engineering design processes, such as project management, requirements, prioritization, functional analysis, specifications, concept development, and embodiment.
Here is shoProtect function structure, where its functionalities can work after providing it with the inputs, which are the entering clients and the exiting clients. Also, our device should be provided with power so that it can perform its different functionalities. After that, it will sense the entering clients, check the number of people inside the shop. If the device detected an exiting client, it will decrease the number of clients by 1 and allow the client to enter in this case, or if the maximum is not reached yet. Also, an allowed or not allowed to enter message using LEDs will be displayed. The barrier will be opened, and the number of clients inside the shop will increase by 1. By doing that, we will reach our output, which is to allow the client to enter.
To have a clear version of shoProtect, here is a physically built mockup that presents the main functions and parts of shoProtect.
As you can see, this is our product. We have first the green light and the red one. The green states that people can enter, while the red one states that they cannot. Then we have the IR sensors that are there to detect people entering or exiting. As you can see, we have 2 of them. And then we have the barrier that we represented using the Servo 9G. We let a person in, the second person, third person, fourth, fifth person, sixth, seventh, and 8th, which is the maximum. It closes, and then when a person is out, it opens again for the next one. And then it closes because it cannot let another person in. As you can see, these are the internal parts of our product. Here is the Arduino, which is connected to the breadboard. And then we have also the Servo 9G, which is also connected. And then we have the IR sensors that are also connected to the breadboard.
And in these pictures, you can find the code for our product, shoProtect.
After analyzing the customer's requirements and translating them into engineering specifications, we tried to associate each one of them with a specific solution concept. And to do so, we used a chart representing embodiment with the EDP. So we ended up focusing on the following: function steps, durability, and the shape. So for the first one, we knew that our device should not consume a lot of electricity, so a low voltage is required, and we used an economic LED to ensure this. For the second one, the durability of the material, we needed to reach this by maximizing the MTBF, and we used a liquid resistant fabric, which is the old cloth, in order to satisfy the customer's need. And finally, the shape of our project needs to meet the specifications, so we used the least amount of material, which consists mainly of the detector and the barrier.
When it comes to the cost analysis of our project shoProtect, we will rent a storage in Casablanca for $200, an office also for $200, and we will hire 5 technicians with a wage of $400 each. To manufacture shoProtect, we will need a circuit for $10, an IR sensor that costs $2, an Arduino that costs $20. Also, we need a barrier gate for $250 and an LED sensor for $50. Finally, we will need cables and switches that cost $1 each. In order to get high quality components, we will work with a supplier called Atlas Microsystems. Finally, the selling price of shoProtect is $430.
shoProtect, limited to enjoy it.